So car repairs. Today we're working on this 2008 Santa Fe. Changing out the tie rod on this car. So as you can see, this tie rod is pretty shot out. It's making a crazy noise when I turn the wheel. So I kind of already started, but I'm just gonna fill you in on how far I made it. So take the wheel off. As you can see, it's a 21mm lug nut. Take the brake caliper off. It's held in by these two 14mm bolts right here. Take that one out, and this one at the bottom here, take that one out. It's 14mm. After you do that, you can kind of access your tie rod nut a little bit better. It has this castle nut on it, like here, and it's, of course it's going to be tight, so there's going to be a cotter pin that's stuck through there. You get the cotter pin out, loosen this up. This is a 19mm castle nut. After you do that, you want to loosen up this nut. Loosen that up. So to loosen it, you want to drive it that way. So you're going to have to rotate it this way. I used these locking pliers. Locked it on here. Got a hammer. Banged it up. Got it loose. So now we're just going to go ahead and knock this out of the knuckle here. So we're going to bang around the sides, bang this whole thing out, and we're going to rotate the tie rod off. All right, so it took quite a bit of force to get this out of the knuckle here, but I got it out. So as you can see, the tie rod where it's positioned at, you want to just loosen up the nut. You don't want to run it all the way back because you want to count the amount of turns that you take this off. So from here to threading it off, me turning it like this, start here, turn it 1, 2, 3, and so on. It took me 16 turns to take this off, so it should take you 16 turns to put the new one on in the opposite direction. So a new tie rod here, just kind of put it on like this. So we got it threaded on that first thread, so it's going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the other side was actually on 15 turns. This side was 16. So to match up with the other side, I'm gonna do this side the same way, 15 turns. And so I'm gonna bring this nut closer to the tie rod here. Kind of lock it in place right there. Get this to go back inside. Oh, it's kind of tough to turn since it's brand new. There we go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bring that through here, just like that. All right. Grab your impact. Comes with a new cotter pin as well. Mine is on the side here. All right. Move on to this part. Tighten this nut down. Tighten it toward the tie rod. So we're gonna go down on it. That's your tie rod. That's how you replace a tie rod on a Santa Fe. So after you change the inner or outer tie rods, it's best to go ahead and get yourself an alignment. Go to the alignment shop, because you can count the amount of turns that it takes to take it off and put it on and copy that, but it's still best to get an alignment so that your tires can wear evenly. So just a rule of thumb, something to note. When you do this job, expect to get an alignment afterwards. So car repairs, like, share, subscribe, like the video, comment with any questions. Peace.